How to manage Siri notification announcements on your iPhone. This feature lets Siri read your incoming notifications aloud when you're using compatible devices like AirPods or supported Beats headphones, making it easier to stay updated without looking at your screen. To get started, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Then tap Notifications. Next, tap Announce Notifications. If you want Siri to read your notifications aloud, simply turn on the Announce Notifications toggle. If you'd rather stop Siri from announcing notifications, just turn the toggle off. You can also choose which apps Siri is allowed to announce. Simply scroll down, select an app like Messages or Reminders, and customize whether announcements are enabled for that specific app. Keep in mind that Siri only announces notifications when you're wearing compatible headphones or using supported devices, and some apps may not support this feature. And that's it. You've successfully managed Siri notification announcements on your iPhone. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more quick iPhone tips and tutorials.